In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the change with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to Airbnb's website, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile you use for bookings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile photo or initial. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Account. This is your main settings hub, where all your personal, security, and payment details live. Inside Account, find the section labeled Payments and Payouts. Click it to open all options related to how you pay and how you get paid. On this page, select Payment Methods. This view shows every card you've saved, usually listed with the last 4 digits and the expiration date, so you can easily tell them apart. Take a moment to identify the exact card you want to remove. Double-check the last 4 digits and the expiration date to avoid deleting the wrong one, especially if you have multiple cards saved that look similar. When you're sure you've got the right card selected, click it to open its details, then choose Remove. Airbnb may display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Confirm the removal and give it a second to process. You'll know it worked when the card disappears from your payment methods list. That means the card has been successfully deleted from your account and won't be available for future payments. A few helpful tips as you go. If you don't see the remove option or it appears disabled, the card may be tied to an active reservation, a pending payment, or a split payment plan. In those cases, you might need to complete or update that reservation first, or have another valid payment method on file before you can remove the current one. This doesn't cancel any upcoming trips. It only changes which card is stored for future charges. If you prefer to manage payments on mobile, the labels are very similar in the app, though the exact placement may vary slightly. The same sequence applies: Account, Payments and Payouts, Payment Methods, select the card, then remove and confirm. That's all there is to it. You logged in, opened account, went to Payments and Payouts, opened Payment Methods, selected the right card, and removed it with a quick confirmation. Pause and replay this section if you want to follow along in real time, and you'll have your payment method